everyone. Welcome to our English Learning Podcast.
Hello, Anna. Hello, everyone.
How are you today, Mark?
I am good. Thank you. And you?
I am very good. I am happy to be here.
Me too. I want to learn more English.
Great. Today, we will learn simple English words and sentences.
Okay, I am ready.
Good. Let's start slowly, step by step. First, let's learn greeting. A greeting is how you say hello.
Hello.
Yes, hello. Very good. Repeat after me. Listener, hello.
Hello.
You can also say hi.
Hi.
Very nice. In the morning, we say good morning.
Good morning.
In the afternoon, we say good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
In the evening, we say good evening.
Good evening.
And at night, before sleep, we say good night.
Good night.
Very good, Mark. Now let's practice. I say hello. You answer. Hello, Mark.
Hello, Anna.
Good morning, Mark.
Good morning, Anna.
Perfect. Now, listeners, try to say it too. Next, let's learn how to ask about feeling. We say, how are you?
How are you?
And we answer, I am fine, or I am good.
I am good.
You can also say, I am okay,
I am okay.
or I am tired,
I am tired.
or I am happy.
I am happy.
Great. Now let's practice a short conversation. How are you, Mark?
I am fine. And you?
I am happy. Thank you. Now let's learn number. Numbers are very important. Let's count together.
Okay.
1,
1,
2,
2,
3,
3,
4,
4,
5.
5,
Good. Now faster. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Very nice. Now from 11 to 20. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15.
11, 12, 13, 14, 15.
16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
Perfect. Now, listeners, let's practice. Count from 1 to 10. Good job. Now, let's learn the days of the week. There are 7 days. Repeat after me.
Okay.
Monday,
Monday,
Tuesday,
Tuesday,
Wednesday,
Wednesday,
Thursday,
Thursday,
Friday,
Friday,
Saturday,
Saturday,
Sunday.
Sunday.
Great. Now let's say them together. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday.
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday.
Very good. Mark, what day is today?
Today is Monday.
Excellent. And yesterday was Sunday.
Yesterday was Sunday.
And tomorrow is Tuesday.
Tomorrow is Tuesday.
Very good. Listener, try to say what day today is. Now let's learn object. These are things in a classroom. Repeat after me.
Okay.
Book,
Book,
pen,
pen,
pencil,
pencil,
colon bag,
bag,
chair,
chair,
table,
table,
window,
window,
door.
door.
Great. Mark, what is this? Pretends to hold a pen.
That is a pen.
Very good. And what is this? Points to a book.
That is a book.
Yeah, excellent. Now let's learn food. Food is what we eat. Repeat after me.
Okay.
Bread,
Bread,
rice,
rice,
apple,
apple,
banana,
banana,
orange,
orange,
chicken,
chicken,
fish,
fish,
pizza,
pizza,
soup.
soup.
Very good. Mark, what food do you like?
I like pizza.
Yum, pizza is good. I like apples.
Apples are healthy.
Yes, they are. Now let's learn drink. Drinks are what we drink. Repeat after me.
Okay.
Water,
Water,
milk,
milk,
tea,
tea,
coffee,
coffee,
juice.
juice.
Very nice. Mark, what drink do you like?
I like tea.
Tea is good. I like coffee.
Coffee gives energy.
Yes, it does. Now let's learn daily activities. Things we do every day.
Okay.
Wake up,
Wake up,
brush teeth,
brush teeth,
wash face,
colon wash face,
eat breakfast,
eat breakfast,
go to school,
go to school,
go to work,
go to work,
read a book,
read a book,
watch TV,
watch TV,
play game,
play games,
sleep.
sleep.
Very good. Mark, what do you do in the morning?
I wake up, I brush my teeth, I eat breakfast,
Excellent. And what do you do in the evening?
I read a book, I watch TV, then I sleep.
Perfect. Now let's make a short conversation. I will ask you and you answer.
Okay.
Hello, Mark. How are you?
Hello, Anna. I am good. And you?
I am fine. Thank you. What day is today?
Today is Friday.
Great. What food do you like?
I like rice and chicken.
Nice. What drink do you like?
I like water.
Very good. What do you do in the morning?
I wake up, I brush my teeth, I eat breakfast.
Excellent, Mark. Very good English. Okay, listeners, now let's do a short review.
Yes, let's remember what we learned.
We learned greeting, hello, hi, good morning, good night.
We learned numbers from 1 to 20.
We learned days of the week, Monday to Sunday.
We learned objects, book, pen, table, chair, and more.
We learned food, right? Bread, pizza, apple, banana.
We learned drinks, water, tea, coffee, juice.
We learned daily activity. Wake up, brush teeth, eat breakfast, go to school, sleep.
Yes, we learned a lot today.
Very good, Mark, and very good listener.
Thank you for learning with us.
Please practice every day. Speak out loud. Repeat words many times.
Yes, practice is important.
That's all for today.
Goodbye, Anna.
Goodbye, Mark. Goodbye, listener. See you next time.